everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have done a neutral look using the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. I have used this a couple of times on my channel since I got it, mainly using the colourful shades up the top, but today I used shades from the bottom 2 rows because they are so beautiful. So I used these 3 shades here, so pretty much the most boring shades in the palette, but I was very happy with how the look turned out. I absolutely love this look. I have been wearing it every time I've worn makeup for the last week and a half, and it is so beautiful. Altogether, it's a very simple look. The thing that really makes it stand out is this copper, gold, bronze glitter that I've put in the crease. It's really pretty and it just gives the look a little bit more oomph. I absolutely love it. The fact that I've worn it so many times in the last 2 weeks and it's the only makeup look I've worn is saying something. So yeah, I'm really happy with how this look turned out. First time I've worn lashes with this look, and again, really pretty. I went for a darker lip liner with a lighter nude lipstick to make my lips look fuller, and they look so full. It's insane. But if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching.
show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we can be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. It's a losing game, it's a losing game. But this time it's more than another lot of war. This ain't the same, this ain't the same. They say love heals all, it makes it all alright. In time, in time. My heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. It feels so right, it feels so right. And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying, there's no denying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying?
So this is the finished look. I'm just gonna turn it a little bit so the lighting's not as... Is it better? Okay. Okay. Better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my I have worn this makeup look every day I've worn makeup in the last week, 2 weeks. I just really like it. I think it's really cute. This is the first time I've added falsies because I've just worn the look on like an everyday basis. And it looks so good with the falsies. I'm actually really impressed with how much it ties everything together. Like, yeah, I feel a lot more fierce and glamorous with the falsies. Like, of course you can just put mascara on, which is what I would normally do. But I'm actually enjoying the flutteriness. It's very cute. All of the products I used today will be in the description box as always, along with all the links to my social media so that we can talk and you can tell me things you want me to do on this channel, because I have no idea half the time. And there will also be the music links that I have playing in the background as I work. If you have any requests for looks you would like me to do, please leave a comment down below and I will happily do that for you. If you would like me to go back to my Jaclyn Hill Vault collection videos, then I will do that for you. I kind of got distracted by Christmas and stuff, so sorry. I will get back to that for you though. I did film the Armed and Gorgeous palette and it did not go well, so I think I might refilm it with different colours because I took the easy route and just used the warm tones and it was cheating. Well, it's not cheating, but this eyelash is so annoying. It just didn't turn out good and it was boring because it was just the warm tones. It didn't have any of the fun colours in it, didn't have the green, didn't have the golds, so whatever. I will do that for you though, I absolutely will. Now that I have a bit more time on my hands, now that the Christmas rush is over, I can actually film a bit more often, which is cool. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe before you leave. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.